Steered parallel long radius turn without pole plant. Start in alpine basic position. Release edging and stand up with the leg, which will become the outside leg. Moving forward, upwards and inwards in the direction of the turn helps bringing the skis into the fall line. Transfer edges. Start with bending the new outside ski, turn skis under your stable upper body over the fall line and return to the alpine basic position, steer to complete the change of direction. What is alpine basic position? 1. The virtual axis through the ankle, knee, hip and shoulder joints are placed parallel to one another, axis parallel. 2. Hips and knees are slightly bent and directed inwards, centered position. 3. The upper body is at an angled position, relative to the slope counteraction. 4. More weight is placed on the outside ski. 5. Arms are slightly bent and forward.